fog advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Portions of south central Alabama. When? Until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Here